Tourism in Egypt is 15% of GDP, so a sector that can actually contribute so much to the economy is tourism if structural reforms are designed properly and implemented.
What is the top structural reform that you've effected?
So in November 2018, we launched the E-Trip, Egypt Tourism Reform Program. It's a policy framework. For the first time, we are dealing with the sector with a preemptive attitude rather than reactive. In there, we explain our vision, which was designed collectively with our stakeholders, the private sector. It was launched from Parliament, and it includes our international partners. The structural reforms include a focus on the software of the industry, which are the people, capacity building and training. It also involves the hardware, which is the infrastructure related to tourism. And that is where a point which is very important for investors, because for the first time in 14 years, we have new standards for a classification of hotels, and also new types of hotels have entered into the guidelines for Egyptian tourism. tourist that Egypt receives today is a different type of tourist. That's number one. Number two, by the end of this calendar year, which is by December 2019, we would have reached to the peak of 2010 in terms of tourist numbers.